It's time to shop. Well, well. I don't need any of this, but here they are. My favorite M&Ms. We'll urgently take it. Oh no, the pack does not fit in the bag. What to do? I have an idea. Need a little slide. That's it. And now, I'll open the packaging. And the sweets will fall right into the truck. Perfect! And here we are, in the kitchen. I'll put some sweets on a plate and send them to cool in the refrigerator. And now, I will prepare all the ingredients for the cake. Butter, sugar, flour, and milk. It is necessary to set the flour through a sieve. That's it. Great! And now, I'll break an egg into a bowl with flour. It is necessary to mix it thoroughly so there are no lumps. Then, I'll add some oil, powdered sugar to the same place, just like that, and a little milk. Mix everything again. The dough is ready. It is necessary to pour it into the mold. Carefully so as not to spill anything. The dough is inside, which means it's time to send the mold to the oven. Look how it rises! The cake will be very lush. Well, in the meantime, I'll do the mastic. These are the balls I have. I'll take a board and roll out one of the balls in a thin pancake. I'll do the same with the second one. After that, I cut it into stripes and make such cute bows. Perfect. And at this time, the cake is finally baked. It's time to get it out. I put it on the board and cut off the top. Then, I divide the cake into 3 parts. I put them away and remove everything extra. And here's the cake stand. A little cream for the base, and I'll set the first cake. Now cream. And the second one. Again. Cream. And the last cake on the top. Now you need to cover the sides of the cake with a small layer of cream. Just like this. And on top too. Using my spatula. And making it perfect. And here's a surprise! I have prepared a rainbow wrapper for a cake made of mastic in advance. I'll add these cute bows to it. And it's almost ready. It's time for M&Ms. With this help, I'll decorate the top of the cake. Let there be an artistic mess. And this lollipop will complete the picture. And it's better to have 5 at once. Here's my cake, and it's ready. In my opinion, it turned out just wonderful. I'll take a basket of fresh strawberries. Gently rinse it in a bowl of water. put it aside to dry. Now, I cut off the top along with the tail and cut the strawberries into small cubes. I'll do the same to the second one. I put everything on a plate. Now, I will light a fire on the stove and place a pot. Hard caramel and strawberries will go in. Wait a little and everything will boil. The main thing is not forget to stir. And then add a couple of drops of lemon juice. Great! I think the strawberry jam is ready. It is necessary to remove it from the heat and put it in a container. Let it cool down. Meanwhile, I'll take care of the cake. With the help of such a sieve, I separate the yolk from the whites. Now they're in different bowls. Let's start with the yolk. I will add some oil, vanilla, sugar, and milk. Now we need to mix it thoroughly. Carefully set the flour directly into the bowl, like this. And mix everything thoroughly. Now let's get busy with the whites. I add salt, lemon juice, and sugar to it. And now the most difficult thing is to beat the foam. Look how dense it turned out. I pour the yolk mixture into it and mix it carefully again so as not to let the air out of the foam. I pour the finished dough into a baking dish. Send it to the oven and let the biscuit bake well. Well, in the meantime, I will prepare the decorations. I roll out the sausages out of the wrap mastic and cut it into small pieces. Shape it into strawberries and add a pattern. Now, I roll out a pancake from green mastic and cut out stars using mold. They will make great tails for my strawberries. Well, it's just beautiful. And at the meantime, our biscuit is already baked. Look how airy! I cut off the top and divide the biscuit into 3 cakes. Now I'll put our strawberry jam on the stand. Smearing it all over. And I'll put the first cake. I'll smear it with jam as well. And put the next one. Cover the top. That's such a beautiful cream. And let's do the same with the sides. Covering it with a thick layer. And of course, you need to give it smoother shape. And from above, I will install the second level of a mini cake. A bit of cream. Looks beautiful. And the base. I'll add flowers from white cream. And on top. Let them be on the first level too. Now I'm putting in strawberries made of mastic. And here's the cake. Well, it's time to see what it's like inside. I'll cut myself a small piece and put it on a plate. It looks so appetizing that I really want to try it. Let's see. How delicious it is! It's impossible to stop. This is the best strawberry cake in the world! Thank you, friends! On my channel, you'll find a bunch of awesome recipes that are easy to cook at home. Try yourself and you'll definitely succeed. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!